3, 2, 1, game on!
That's 400 FPS, son.
I suck at holding the camera. Zach, you go that way. I'm gonna head right here. I'm gonna meet you there. Someone's out of shape.
Okay.
Ow!
Do what we always do, just rush it.
Right. He shot at me. I'm not a lefty. Alright. Ready? I'm gonna shoot too. You gotta keep up. Wait.
Hey, make sure they know if we get in the house, we win.
I'm out!
Hey, walk out there real fast and just tell them, say, if we get in the house, we automatically win.
Want me to hit fire him?
Say it, yell it.
Hey, if they get in the house, they win! I'll keep up.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. You first. I'm always going first.
He's out, he's out.
They're out of the house?
No. He's on the right side of the window. I'm out right here.
House!
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 We went, dude, I lit you up in the back.
He got me. Alright, you get Zach. He's out here screaming. He's like, oh! You got Zach. No, I'm gonna get hit.
I know, I shot one of you. Are you alright?
I
I think I'm just gonna camp here right now. I knew someone was trying to do that.
That was
Good
really
job.
beast. Alright, cut it off.
Alright, hello. Just
Push
say
it
bye.